Guys, in my previous video where I was making my first daughter's hair, I made mention of ordering gel from Amazon, but the gel hasn't arrived as at the time I recorded that video. But the thing just arrived now, and Favor went downstairs to bring this, so I want to open it up so we can see it. So I'm going to open it up with you guys and let's see how it looks. So this is the gel. They said it's Let's Jam. So this is it. Let's Jam. Please, I'm not jamming with anybody. And this is what the inside looks like. It's dark. Yes, this is the type of gel. Yeah. Oh, it's dark on the inside like black. Looking at it, you will think it's black, but looking at it here on my finger, you can see it's light green, right? Is it green or blue? Whatever. Can you see it clearly? Okay. But here in the container, it's dark. I don't know what is going on. Or is my eyes deceiving me? This thing is dark. Do I need eyeglass? Eh? This is the type of gel. Look at. You see? By the way, I washed my hair this evening. This is what I've been doing. I wash it and still carry it. I don't know, for some reason I love this hairstyle and it's taking me time to take it down, even though it's looking old. But I don't care. As far as it's clean, I'm good to go. So this is the gel, guys. It's really lovely. I saw the small size, but I'm like, since I have 2 girls plus myself, why not get the bigger one? So that it can last us for some time before I go. This thing is expensive. This thing is not cheap, but I needed it. So yes, that's it for this video. Henceforth, more new hairstyles loading. Because of this gel, I'm going to be making more of hairstyles that require this gel, so I can make my money back. You know, understand? Ciao.